Hello guys, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this page is not available right now on Facebook. If you want to open Facebook page but face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back here home screen and open your phone setting, and from here you click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn on Wi-Fi toggle at least the 30 second you have turn it on. If you use mobile data, then turn off mobile data at least the 30 second you have turn it on, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back here home screen and open your App Store and Play Store, and from here you search for this Facebook, click on this, and from here you make sure that update your Facebook app. I am already update, and after update your Facebook app, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back here home screen and open your again phone setting. From here you scroll down and click on app management and click on app setting. From here you search for this Facebook, click on this and click on permission. You make sure that allow all permissions, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and click on storage and cache, and from here click on clear cache, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back here home screen and open again App Store and Play Store, and from here search for this Anyone VPN and install Anyone VPN and connect and change your country or region, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.